Are we really gonna break up over a kiss? It was... Ooh, you're making me crazy. The next person I see, I'm gonna tear them apart. It's gonna be your fault. You know what? You're never gonna find nobody as good as me. The fuck? I'm Mike Tyson. The fuck does that bitch think she is? Oh man, I wanna put my hands on somebody. You.
Huh?
Come here.
Mike.
Come here.
Mike, please.
I just wanna spar.
Michael, I really don't want to spar.
I just wanna spar. You're probably gonna survive.
Probably, please, Mike.
Put your hands up, now. I'm tired of talking to you.